Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What You Talking About. My name is Ryan Johnson. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today we're going to be showing you guys a Victorinox Swiss Army timepiece from the Alliance collection. This one is a gents watch. It's quite beautiful in my opinion. We're going to talk a bit about it and see how it looks on my wrist in the show. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys on the flip side.
All right, guys, so here we are with this Victorinox Swiss Army men's watch from the Alliance collection. Now, automatically, the first thing that you see is a larger timepiece, and it's coming in at 44 millimeters case diameter, 10 millimeters case thickness. So even though it's quite large for the diameter, it still lays pretty flat on your wrist because of that 10 millimeter case thickness. Now the polish on this watch is fantastic. Look at that polish dial. It's quite something, and leads into a bracelet here that's both polished and brushed. You can see the links polished there and brushed on these two central links here. And this is one of the defining characteristics of the Alliance collection, is this bracelet here. Beautiful. Now we have a triple deployment clasp. Clicks in there, and you just use these two buttons here pretty much to open the watch. Just like that. Close it again, there we go. Now the dial, it's all black. And we have a date aperture at 3 and a true second sub-dial there at 6. Now there's some lume on the hands. You guys can see that. And everything's protected with a sapphire crystal. Now, governing this timepiece is a Swiss-made quartz movement, and the water resistance on this model is 100 meters. So I'm just going to put this watch on my wrist in a few seconds so you guys can see what this 44 millimeter beauty looks like on my wrist. All right, so here we are with this Alliance timepiece on my wrist. Just gonna pull back the glove a little bit so you guys can appreciate the crown. Now, like I said before, even though it's 44 millimeters, you guys can see it takes up a lot of real estate on my wrist. It still lays pretty flat. And then you can see that very distinctive bracelet. Very beautiful. Now guys, this watch retails for $550, but at My Gift Stop you never pay retail. That's just not a thing that we do. We have an amazing deal on this timepiece. I encourage you guys to head on down to mygiftstop.com, look it up. You'll be pleasantly surprised. It's very stunning. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This has been another episode of What You Talking About. This is Ryan Johnson, signing out.